Izombe is on fire. Everywhere smoke. Izombe market is burnt. Look at Izombe market. Everywhere is burnt. Ubele ka abara ọkụ, ya ubele ka abara ọkụ. N'ubele Izombe. Ya ubele ka abara ọkụ. Ule no ọkụ n'Izombe. N'ubele Izombe.
You have watched the video. I decided to start with this video because this is what is going on in Imo State. And it's not only that, because some people are homeless. Not only this market, a lot is going on in Imo State, and most of them don't care at all. Guess what? Those who claim that Samonekpa is their problem, they are silent. You don't see this kind of video in their platform anymore. None of them have anything to say. In Izombe, people are going through a lot, in Osu as well, in many villages in Imo State. Yes, you may say that, oh, it cannot happen in Imo State. Who knows if your community is next? The annoying part of all those things is that those who claim that Samonekpa is this and that, they are still silent, like I said. A Mega Gives, Citizen Observer, Uchechi, the list go on and on. None of them have anything to say, including Bianca Ojukwu. I prefer to call him by Bianca, no, because I don't want to drag Ojukwu to this nonsense. You see, one thing we need to understand is that we are our own problem. Yes, federal government and the Fulani know how to get our people by flashing some money in their presence, in their faces. Once you do that, they will start behaving like robots without thinking, as if they have programmed them to behave in a particular manner. And that is what we are witnessing today. Hope Uzodinma is an Igbo man, not a Fulani man, yet he don't care about the life of his people. Now, watch this, because some people or some villagers in the same village in Izombe are homeless. Some of them actually, are living in the bush. Watch this.
Hey, look at me here, Richard. Me hope Uzodinma me Izombe. Nonsense. People slept in the bush. People slept in the bush. It's a bush. People are just coming out from the bush. As I talk to you now, this early morning, they're just coming out from the bush. You see people with their properties, kids. This is Hope Uzodinma's administration and these people because of their political ambitions. What a nonsense. Imagine people sleeping in the bush, coming out from the bush this morning just because of their political ambitions. You can see it. This one, I hope, Nene. Hope. Never you know, but I shall be even the shell. No, the Kebushi, I hope the Kabushi, maybe Kebu to Rusuha. Oh, Otichi Hope na Nando Tiende APC. Awka no na who no hona ndị chi mafia potasha this morning ekwa agụta ha ọnụ ọwọ chichi Hope Uzodinma onye ke na-ebe agbara ihe egbe for a long time now. O bukwa egbe gba ọsọ. In August, onye ke ji clutches now. N'August ka Hope Uzodinma na ndị Ebube akụ gbakwara egbe. On here now. On here now. People are running for their lives. Oh yeah.
In case if you are wondering where this video is coming from, or is it acted, is it fake, Is it doctored? No, it's not. The video, it is real. First class news, first class information from the people that lives there. I mean, people from Izombe. These are eyewitness. They know what happened. They were there when those security agents, Nigerian military, Nigerian Ebube, all of them terrorizing our people just to pave way for Islamic herdsmen and co to take over. And when you begin to question some of our people, and they will tell you, are you bigger than government? How can you do that? But look at what is going on. Imagine children, women, innocent people suffering for no just reason, things they don't know about. Then you ask yourself, is this army, police, and the rest of them, what are they doing? What is their primary job? They will tell you to protect life and properties. Now, is the life of Easterners, Igbos, Biafrans not? I mean, is it not life? Is it not life or what? Why are we going through all these things? Like I said initially, that the most painful part of it is that Igbo people are the one doing this nonsense against their own. Money is not everything. There are some people that if you call them to do one or two things, as long as it has to do with human life, no matter the amount of money that's involved, they will distance themselves from that. How many of our people can boast of that? That they don't do everything, every job they see. A few days ago, we saw videos on social media. I still have the clips, but I cannot publish it here because of it has a lot of graphic images. How they slaughter people in numbers. The blood of innocent people are just like blood of chicken in the eyes of the current government and the people that are facilitating the nonsense they're doing, which PM, prefer to call them enablers. Many of them claim they are fighting for Biafra. They love Igbo so much, they cherish Igbo too much. They're this, blah, 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 blah. But when they decide to act, you will be surprised. Are they actually human beings at all, let alone being Biafra or Igbo people? Where are they coming from? It's not as if Hobos don't have access to those videos and the atrocities going on in his state. He is aware, but he prefers to secure his, I don't know. This is what our people are going through. Like I said, it doesn't matter where you are. Are you from Manioma? Are you from a boy state? From Anambra, Imo, Abia, any part at all, even in Lagos, in Duduoland, you are not different from people suffering this. Because they said the journey of a thousand mile starts with one step. So that the step they decided to start these steps, from Imo State at the moment, it does not mean that your home or your land is not what they call the destination. So expect unexpected. But the only thing I want us to understand is that we still have chance and time to avert this nonsense by calling a spade, stand on what is right and do your part and support anyone that is doing anything to stop them. Because your life is nothing. Go and watch the video. In case you have not watched the video, go to X. You may check COS S handle. There are some Biafrans that have these videos, these clips from Imo State on their platforms. For you just to have an idea of the impending doom, because it's not gonna end well at all, unless if something is being done. So I just want you to watch it and see what they are, because when we say that PM is not your problem, they will say no, he's a problem. Even though some of them understand that he's not a problem, but because of that, they don't just want him to, they don't want his name, they don't like him to do the needful. They wish something that they themselves want to achieve, but they are not disciplined enough to do anything. But they don't want any other person to do it because they think in their own world, they want everything to go through them. They want to be a boss when they don't have anything to present as a boss. Anyway, my people, I have this video for you. Just watch this one because it will not be as if because even people said a Biafra of a or anything. No, just watch it because this Yoruba man actually said something that you need to hear. And I think that this is the right time for you to like the video. Click on the like button and subscribe if you are new. Share this video to many platforms of your choice, and God bless you.
If we want to teach the Biafra story in schools, I tell you, one of the reasons they stopped teaching history was that they couldn't tell our story. And now they can't tell the Biafra story. And we cannot tell the story of the coups properly. Now, a country with so many secrets that it cannot divulge cannot write history. It is wrong to talk about ignoring the Biafra story. But the injustices and the oppression that led to Biafra are still very much present and with us. You can't escape Biafra. And in fact, the reason we do need to continuously exhume the ghost of Biafra is that the ethnic principles on the basis of which we had to go to war are all pervasive in the Nigerian society of today. And our leaders do not appear to know what to do about them. They start from the wrong premises. Some want to eliminate ethnic groups. It is not possible to eliminate ethnic groups. That old statement by Ahmadu Bello in reply to Zik. Zik said, let's forget our differences. Ahmadu Bello said, no, let's understand them. When you do understand them, you will discover that it is possible for those who are supposedly radically opposed to themselves today, it is possible for them to sit at the same table and discuss virtually every problem.